NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Multiple Choice Question 15. A pole 6 meters high casts a shadow 2 times root 3 meters long on the ground. Then the sun's elevation is option A 60 degrees, option B 45 degrees, option C 30 degrees, or option D 90 degrees. Let us find the answer. We are given that the height of the pole is 6 meters. Pole height is equal to 6 meters. Let us draw the pole with 6 meters. And this is the ground. The shadow length is 2 times root 3 meters. Let us draw the sun, which casts the shadow of the pole on the ground of length 2 times root 3 meters. Angle theta is the sun's elevation. We need to find this value. For angle theta, opposite side is side opposite to angle theta, which is pole height 6 meters. Adjacent side is the length of the shadow. Therefore, adjacent side is equal to 2 times root 3 meters. Now let us use tan theta. Tan theta is equal to, what is the formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. We know that opposite side is equal to 6 meters divided by adjacent side is 2 times root 3 meters. That is equal to 6 by 2 times root 3. 6 can be written as 2 times 3, cancel 2, and 3 by root 3 can be written as root 3. Tan theta is equal to root 3. From the standard trigonometric values, we can write theta as 60 degrees. Therefore, from the given options, option A 60 degrees is the right answer. Therefore, a pole 6 meters high casts a shadow 2 times root 3 meters long on the ground. Then the sun's elevation is option A 60 degrees.